Photo of an empty desert scene.
Many people believe that the desert is a barren and inhospitable place.
Photos of desert bighorn, jackrabbits, and a desert scene.
However, mammals of all shapes and sizes live in this challenging environment.
Photo of an industrial development.
Today, there are many human-related threats to plants and animals.
Images of deers, mountain lions, and several different species of plants.
Yet the Sonoran Desert still holds an incredible amount of biological diversity.
Biomes and Mammals of the Sonoran Desert by the Sonoran Desert Network. Image in the shape of a mountain with photos of respective biomes as elevation increases.
The Sonoran Desert region contains all major globally recognized biomes, with the exception of tundra.
Zoom of a desert landscape with 3 mountain ranges in the back.
This is the result of a combination of latitude, topography, climate, and elevation range.
Images of coyotes in different biomes.
Many of the mammals that live in the Sonoran Desert can be found in numerous biomes, which is a testament to their adaptability.
Zoom to desert section of mountain biome representation.
The desert biome, located at the lowest elevations,
Pan of vegetated desert scene.
is home to many species adapted to its extreme heat, dry climate, and sharp vegetation.
Night image of a kangaroo rat.
The endangered kangaroo rat is able to survive without access to open water.
Close-up of a kangaroo rat eating a seed.
The seeds they eat provide enough hydration to sustain their needs.
Image of mule deer mom and fawn.
Desert mule deer are known for their large mule-like ears.
Video of several mule deer running.
They have a black-tipped tail and a white rump.
Image of 2 male deer surrounded by green grass.
Males grow antlers in the spring, and in the winter, they fall off.
Image of a male mule deer backlit by a sunset.
Their antlers are used for defense and to attract females.
Video of several javelina roaming over rocks.
Javelinas, also known as collared peccaries, have a tough palate that allows them to eat prickly pear fruits and pads. They have bristly black and white peppered hair that forms a white collar around their neck.
Image of a javelina displaying its collared neck. Night photo of a kit fox.
Kit foxes are America's smallest wild canine. They are about the size of an adult chihuahua.
Night image of a kit fox sneaking past the camera.
Large ears give the kit fox excellent hearing and help to lower its body temperature in the desert heat.
Image of a kit fox by an old wildlife camera.
Much like kangaroo rats, they rarely need to drink water.
Photo of a kit fox with a rat in its mouth.
They can achieve hydration just by eating their prey.
Night image of a bobcat in front of a coyote.
Many Sonoran Desert mammals are nocturnal,
Night image of a mountain lion.
allowing them to avoid being out during the heat of the day.
Night image of a fox playing with a cord connected to the camera.
Dusk and dawn are the best times to catch a glimpse of Sonoran Desert wildlife.
Zoom to thorn scrub section of mountain biome representation.
At slightly higher elevations, the thorn scrub biome emerges.
Pan of desert thorn scrub scene.
Thorn scrub consists of small trees and shrubs with woody plants that can lose their leaves during drought.
Image of southern grasshopper mouse lying on its belly.
Southern grasshopper mice are known as the wolves of the mouse world
Photo of a scorpion in blacklight, its body shining fluorescent green.
due to their diet of scorpions, lizards, insects, spiders, and other small critters.
Photo of a mouse standing on its hind legs.
They are also known for throwing back their heads, standing on their hind legs, and howling.
Photo of a lesser long-nosed bat flying.
The endangered lesser long-nosed bat has a leaf-shaped nose, a very short tail, and reddish-brown fur.
Close-up of a bat covered in pollen.
These bats are nocturnal and consume nectar, pollen, and fruits. The blooms of organ pipe cacti, saguaro cacti, and agave make up a majority of their diet.
Photos of respective blooms. Photo of a jackrabbit inspecting the camera.
Jackrabbits release body heat efficiently. Like the kit fox, they use their large ears to cool themselves.
Video of 2 jackrabbits. In the back, one is eating a plant. Curious, the second joins.
They have big hind legs that allow them to jump long distances. Despite its name, the jackrabbit is a type of hare. Unlike rabbits, hares are born with fur and sight.
Zoom to semi-desert grasslands section of mountain biome representation.
Above the thorn scrub biome, semi-desert grasslands begin to occur.
Pan of semi-desert grasslands scene.
The semi-desert grasslands are composed of short and medium-sized warm-season grass species.
Video of 2 pronghorn briefly butting heads, then walking around.
Pronghorn antelope often reside in the semi-desert grassland biome. They are the fastest long-distance runners in the world. Although cheetahs can run faster over a short distance, pronghorn have greater endurance,
Video of a female pronghorn running.
allowing them to run fast for longer periods of time.
Video of a pronghorn walking around.
Both males and females have horns. On males, the horns are branched, giving them their distinctive prongs. Pronghorns survive on herbs, cacti, and desert grasses, and often have to compete with cattle for food.
Photo of a coyote walking by the camera.
Coyotes are one of Earth's most adaptable animals.
Video of coyote looking around. Its ears perk up occasionally.
Both predators and scavengers, they eat almost anything.
Image of a baby coyote.
They can jump up to 13 horizontal feet and clear a 5-foot-tall fence without touching it.
Image of a coyote howling on a desert ridge.
They growl and bark like other canines, but are best known for their yips and iconic howls, which identify territories and help pairs or family groups find each other.
Zoom to woodland section of mountain biome representation.
Higher still in elevation is the Woodlands biome.
Pan of a woodland scene.
Woodlands are located at mid-elevations in the Sonoran Desert region. This area is occupied by evergreen oaks, pinyon pine, and alligator juniper trees.
Video of a black bear walking up a hill.
Black bears can be found in woodland biomes, from northern Mexico all the way up to Canada.
Photo of a black bear looking down on a camera it knocked over.
They eat a variety of foods, from fruits to small animals.
Photo of 3 cubs climbing up a tree.
Black bears are good climbers. Their cubs are able to quickly ascend trees for safety.
Photo of a mountain lion drinking water.
Iconic throughout the Sonoran Desert region, mountain lions are primarily nocturnal and solitary.
Video of a mountain lion rolling around.
Mountain lions can jump at least 18 vertical feet and over 40 feet horizontally.
Video of a mountain lion cub bounding from rock to rock.
Mountain lion cubs have spots until they reach 1 year of age.
Video of a gray fox looking around.
Thanks to a rotating forearm, the common gray fox is the only canine in North America that is capable of climbing trees.
Video of 3 gray foxes. One walking around a barrel cacti.
They can move up and down tree trunks head or tail first. Gray foxes are mostly gray, with black tip fur on their backs and tails and a reddish coloration around their face and neck.
Photo of a gray fox walking, its head low. Image of a gray fox in snow with the moon above its head.
They are primarily nocturnal and are omnivores, eating meat, fruits, plants, and nuts.
Zoomed chaparral section of mountain biome representation.
Within the Woodlands biome, chaparral occurs sporadically.
Pans of chaparral scenes.
Chaparral terrain can range from sparsely vegetated flats to rocky mountain slopes. It supports plants like shrubs, manzanita, oaks, and cacti.
Video of a bighorn laying down, looking at the camera and chewing.
Desert bighorn use their long legs and specialized hooves to climb and jump in steep and precarious areas.
Video of a baby bighorn walking towards the camera.
They are a smaller subspecies of bighorn sheep and can weigh 200 pounds or more.
Photo of male desert bighorns about to butt heads.
Male bighorns, or rams, use their distinctive curved brown horns as battle weapons, fighting for dominance and female mating rights.
Image of a striped skunk.
There are 4 different species of skunk in the Sonoran Desert. Striped,
Photo of 3 small striped skunks, a hog-nosed skunk, a hooded skunk, and a spotted skunk.
hog-nosed, hooded, and spotted.
Video of a spotted skunk doing a handstand, exposing its back to look bigger.
All skunks are nocturnal and use their greatest weapon when frightened or defending themselves and their territory. This weapon is a spray that skunks produce via scent glands under their tail.
Zoom to temperate forest section of mountain biome representation.
Above the Woodlands biome, temperate forests emerge.
Pan of temperate forest scene.
Temperate forests are dominated by pines, spruces, and other conifer trees.
Photo of snow and pine trees.
Snow is not unusual in this biome during winter months.
Photo of a bobcat.
Bobcats can live in many different biomes, including temperate forests. They are stealthy hunters and are able to catch and eat prey larger than themselves.
Photo of a baby bobcat staring at the camera.
Bobcats are about twice as large as house cats and receive their name due to their short, bobbed tail.
Video of a bobcat walking in snow by a large rock. Photo of a mom raccoon and its 3 babies walking by a stream.
Raccoons den in hollow trees, logs, and burrows.
Night video of a raccoon walking into a puddle and scavenging.
They are expert climbers and are able to open doors and raid garbage cans if given the opportunity. In the wilderness, raccoons are often found around lakes, rivers, and streams, where they hunt in shallow water.
Pan to small river surrounded by vegetation and rocks.
Riparian systems can occur in any biome with perennial water. These areas are small but incredibly diverse and productive. However, they are becoming increasingly rare in the desert Southwest due to human impacts and climate change.
Video of a tractor plowing a barren field.
Arizona's state mammal, the ringtail, can be found in riparian systems.
Night image of a ringtail's striped tail. Night image of a ringtail on a rock.
These wide-eyed creatures are nocturnal.
Photo of a ringtail in a tree.
They can climb vertical walls and, like the gray fox and raccoon, they are able to rotate their back feet.
Photo of a coyote, its long tail arching over its back.
Coyotes are part of the raccoon family.
Photo of a coyote walking in a wash.
They are found from Argentina to southern Arizona.
Video of a coyote walking on a log and digging under shrubs.
Coyotes are very adaptable and can retreat up into trees when in danger or to catch food.
Photo of a coyote.
Like gray foxes and ringtails, they are able to climb down trees head first.
Image of a bat being held and a jackrabbit.
All of these mammals are able to live in the challenging environments that make up the Sonoran Desert.
Image of a coyote in Woodlands and of a mama black bear and its baby.
However, human impacts affect wildlife and can influence their survival.
Images of ruins in mountains.
People have occupied the Sonoran Desert since at least 5,500 BCE.
Aerial image of a city.
But modern-day urbanization poses special challenges to natural ecosystems
Image of a mountain lion staring at the camera.
and their wild inhabitants.
Image of a highway in the desert.
Highways bisect wildlife migration corridors,
Image of a road. Pan to dead fox.
disrupting access to needed resources and causing danger and death for animals trying to cross.
Image of a strip mine.
Mining and other extractive industries have a tremendous, long-lasting impact on natural ecosystems.
Aerial photo of a town.
Residential land developments turn habitats into neighborhoods, which decreases biological diversity and limits where mammals can live.
Image of the Desert Research Learning Center sign.
The National Park Service protects and promotes stewardship
Image of ruins.
of our natural and cultural resources, including wildlife.
Image of a bighorn. Images of volunteers. People pulling weeds and harvesting grass.
You too can help make a difference. There are many nonprofit organizations dedicated to improving conditions for wildlife. These organizations welcome volunteers to assist with projects ranging from simple activities like planting native vegetation
Image of a volunteer planting a tree.
to complex projects such as constructing wildlife migration corridors.
Image of a wildlife migration corridor. Image of bobcats, a ringtail at a watering hole, and a raccoon.
You can help Sonoran Desert wildlife by volunteering on public lands or with a local wildlife organization,
Images of do not drink or text while driving.
practicing safe driving,
Pro-voting image that reads, "Let your voice be heard. Vote."
staying informed about local issues that affect wildlife, and voting.
Image of a mountain lion.
Together, we can help these amazing mammals continue to thrive.
Image of female volunteers landscaping.
Making a positive difference begins with a single action.
Scrolling credits that read, Mammals and Biomes of the Sonoran Desert. Producer and director, Jessica McGarry. Narrator, Connor Everly. Writers, Jessica McGarry and Alice Wondrak Beale. Music, Mitchell Ross. Photographer, Jessica McGarry. Videographer, Jessica McGarry. Audio describer, Jessica McGarry. National Park Service videos, Javelina, Saguaro National Park East. Coyote, Glacier National Park. Black Bear, Saguaro National Park East. Mountain Lion Cub, Saguaro National Park East. Gray Fox, Saguaro National Park East. Desert Bighorn Sheep, Grand Canyon National Park. Spotted Skunk, Saguaro National Park. Raccoon, Saguaro National Park East. Coyote, Saguaro National Park East. Outside material, Striped Skunks, Elisa Neves. Video of Chaparral, Sarah Posner. Aerial of City Number 1 and 2, public domain. Highway image, public domain. Strip mine image, public domain. Wildlife corridor, SWCA Environmental Consultants. No drinking and driving sign, public domain. No phone sign, public domain. Vote image, public domain. Special thanks to the Sonoran Desert Network, the National Park Service, Tucson Audubon Society, Saguaro National Park East, and the Grand Canyon National Park.